Hello, everyone, and welcome to NR 567, the analysis of environmental impact. Um, the National Environmental Policy Act of 1969 involves the analysis of environmental impacts to the human environment using certain analytical standards and requirements. The purpose of this class is to examine in detail the different components of NEPA. We will look at the purpose, goals, and the results of NEPA, as well as the analytical requirements and the standards of environmental impact analysis. This course is divided into 15 modules, and content will be presented on a weekly basis, which you should have already seen. The modules will become available as the class progresses. The first modules should be really simple. Hopefully everyone is finding that, and then the details, the format is more outlined in Canvas, but I'll provide a brief overview of what the course will look like. In most modules, you'll be required to post a summary and/or reflection of the assigned readings. Starting next week, you'll be reading and responding to other students' posts, and this will be part of the grade. The posts will be due on Thursday night, and then you will have until Sunday to actually respond to your peers' posts. You will also have two larger assignments. One will be due approximately halfway through the semester, which I'll post more about here in a couple of weeks. The first assignment will be an environmental assessment assignment. So you'll be using an actual NEPA document and provide a critical analysis of the content of that document, its structure, and its compliance with NEPA and other legal requirements of NEPA. This will have a draft version due first, and you will receive comments from me. Then you will have time to develop a final version. For the final project, you will delve into a specific NEPA topic, 4 of which will be laid out in Canvas for you a little bit further along. Introduction to the modules will be presented by Courtney Schultz and Tony Chang of the Department of Rangeland Stewardship. They designed and taught the course in person on campus before we developed this online version of the course. I look forward to our discussions and any questions, and have a great semester.